Welcome back to my channel, Linking Math. In this video, we are going to find the value of a plus b plus c, where we are given the value of ab, bc, and ac. But where should we start the solution? To start the solution, I'm going to multiply this ab, this bc, and this ac together. So here we go. It is going to be left-hand side ab times bc times this ac. Right-hand side, the value of ab is 40 times the value of BC is 50 times the value of AC is 60. Let's see what do we have our left hand side. 1A here, 1A here, so it is going to be A times A. 1B here, 1B here, so it is going to be B times B. And finally 1C here, 1C here, so it is going to be C times C. Our left hand side is going to be A times A or A squared. B times B or B squared. C times C or C squared is right hand side 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 6, 120. Also we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. I write it here. Next step. Let's see what is our left hand side. This is same as A times B times C to the power of 2 equals 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now to continue the solution, I'm going to get help from the maths rule that says when we have A to the power of 2 equals n, the value of A is going to be positive, negative second root of n. But in this case, the question says the value of A, B, C positive. So no need we consider the negative value of the product of A, B, C. The product of three positive numbers is a positive value. So we only consider the positive value of this product. So it is going to be, let me write it here, the value of a, b, c is second root of 1, 2, o, 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 o. What is this? This is can be written as the product of 12 and 10,000, right? 12 can be written as a product of 4 and 3, and these 10,000. So the value of a, b, c is going to be second root of 4 times second root of 3 times second, let me continue this one, second root of 10,000. What is the second root of 4? Absolutely 2. I write this second root of 3, and all you know, second root of 10,000 is times 100. So from here, the value of A, B, C is going to be 2 times 100, which means 200 times second root of 3. Okay, until here, good job. We did it well. Now, second part of our solution. We are going to use the product of A, B, C to find out the value of A, B, C separately. As you know, the question says the value of AB is 40, the value of BC is 50, and the value of AC is 60. Now look here, we have this information and this information. How can we use them to find the value of A, B, and C separately? To find the value of A, B, and C, I'm going to divide A, B, C by these equations one by one. First, ABC divided by AB is going to be right hand side. The value of ABC is 200 times second root of 3. The value of AB is 40, right? Left hand side, this AB and this AB can be cancelled off. So C is going to be 40 divided by 41. 200 divided by 45. So 5 times second root of 3. This is the value of C. Keep it here. Next, A, B, C divided by BC is going to be the value of ABC 200 times second root of 3 over the value of BC 50. So left hand side, this BC and this BC can be cancelled off. So from here we have the value of A is going to be 50 divided by 51, 200 divided by 54. So it is going to be 4 times second root of 3. This is the value of A. And finally, last one, ABC divided by AC is going to be the value of ABC is 200 times second root of 3, right? Over AC is 60. So left hand side, this A and this A can be cancelled off. This C and this C can be cancelled off, right? So left side we have B, right side. 60 divided by 20 is 3. 200 divided by 20 is 10. So it is going to be 10 second root of 3 divided by 3. Now we have the value of A, B, and C. We are going to find the value of A plus B plus C. So it is enough. We plug them here and add them together. So let's see what happens. A plus B plus C is going to be the value of A, 4 times second root of 3, plus the value of B, 10 second root of 3 divided by 3, plus finally 5 times second root of 3. How can we calculate this one? The value of A plus B plus C is going to be, look, this is same as 4 second root of 3 divided by 1. Also this one divided by 1. What is common denominator between 1, 3, and 1? Absolutely 3. 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 times 4, so it is going to be 12 times second root of 3 plus 3 divided by 3, 1. So I write here without any change 10 second root of 3. And finally, 3 divided by 1, 3 times 5, 15 times second root of 3. So the value of A plus B plus C is going to be 12 plus 10, 22, plus 15, 37, second root of 3 over 3. And what is this? This is most simplified answer of our question. Have fun.